This is the Recovery and Community Event Series, a week-long artist residency with a group from South Florida called Prevails Project. The event series was really designed not only using the arts as a vehicle for change and for positive transformation and for building empathy and telling stories, but also as an opportunity to look at what happens after we have these kind of artistic engagements. How do we apply then what we've seen to our lives?
I just wanna be free, free, free.
It's a multidisciplinary production full of poetry, music, movement, theater, and all these amazing, beautiful things. And there are 7 Black men on stage who are telling these stories. The idea is to just kind of give a clear depiction of experiences and show that our experiences are valid, are important, that we matter.
There is nothing stronger than this family. Family never fails.
But most importantly, to delve deep into the idea of humanity that exists in us all, and to kind of create that shared experience.
You ain't alone. I got your back. Bro, get off me, man.
You ain't alone. I got your back.
Do not touch me, man.
You ain't alone.
Yo.
I got your back. You ain't alone. We 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 got your back.
You know, we have talkbacks after each show, and it's been very interesting to hear. They were overwhelmed with emotions, that they were connected to what was happening.
Don't stop this. These conversations have got to be heard. We need to hear them. I need to hear them.
It is amazing bringing to life, and the depth and the truth that showed up tonight was really, really overwhelming. Congratulations, brother. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of the work that you're doing.
The Men on Mental Health panel was specifically to bring together some of the artists from the play, Black Like He, but also there were folks up there who were coming in as licensed mental health counselors in epidemiology, in criminal justice or restorative justice spaces.
What works is we know community works. We know mentorship works. We know anything that builds social relationships and positive networks work.
It's one thing to kind of witness this work of art that's being put before your eyes and how amazingly beautiful that is, and it's another thing to be immersed in a creative process. Prevails Project specifically designed Poem is Where the Heart Is as a way for people to tap into what makes them feel well, what makes them feel safe.
Let it flow and write in a free form stream of consciousness. This kind of work has always been important and will always be important.
Arts is really the ability to immortalize gifts and talents and the voice and leave behind a footprint of joy. That is my balm. It is my mental health. It is my choice of joy.
You know, art and creative expression taps into the soul of a person. It gives you this vehicle to release what's already there.
When we're trying to deliver information, we are going for the head. We're going for the intellectual, which is great, but when you can find a way that the intellect can meet the heart, the arts are so perfect for that.